Just like you were a bubble, frame me up on your wall, just to keep me out of trouble. Like a moth getting trapped in the life of fixation. Truly feel love, baby, I'm talking no inflation. Too many wounds and not enough wars. Too few rounds in the ring and not enough settled scores. Too many shots, not enough blood in the waves. You know I give my love up for all at a name.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line. I find it very, very easy to be true. I find myself alone when each day is through. Yes, I'll admit that I'm a fool for you.
I'm sorry, guys. This is my jam right here.
Who are these people? I just woke up in my underwear. No liquor left on the shelf. I should probably introduce myself. You should have seen what I wore. I had a cane and a party hat. I was the king of this hologram where there's no such thing as getting out of hand. Memories tend to just pop up. Drunk pre-meds and some rubber gloves. 5,000 people with designer drugs. Don't think I'll ever get enough. Champagne, cocaine, gasoline, and most things in between. I rode the city in a shopping cart, a pack of camels and a smoke alarm. This night is heating up. Raise hell and turn it up. Say it if you go on, you might mess up in a train fight. Oh yeah, so threaten me with a good time. It's a hell of a feeling there. It's a hell of a feeling there. Alright, it's a hell of a feeling there. It's a hell of a feeling there. What are these footprints? They don't look very human-like. Now I wish that I could find my clothes, bed sheets, and a morning rose. I wanna
Leave him
wake
alone.
up. Can't even tell if this is a dream. How did we end up in my neighbor's pool? Upside down with a perfect view. Bought a bar at the speed of sound. Fancy feet dancing through this town. Lost my mind in a wedding gown. Don't think I'll ever get it now. Hold on to me, 'cause I'm a little unsteady. A little unsteady. Hold on to me, 'cause I'm a little unsteady. A little unsteady. Mama, come here.